What if I told you that most of your favorite YouTubers started their YouTube channel using just their smartphone? So hey my loves, welcome to my channel. I am Olive, and in this channel I share with you how to start and grow your YouTube channel, how you can turn your passion into income. I know a lot of you be wondering how you go about it. You may be thinking that you don't have a laptop, you don't have a ring light, you don't have a tripod, you don't have this, you don't have that, the background is this and all of that. Relax, okay? You can actually get started just using your mobile phone. You can actually start off from somewhere with or without a lot of those sophisticated gadgets. So the first way you can actually start up that your channel is by first creating that account. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you the step-by-step guide on how you can start up your own YouTube channel and get it monetized just using your smartphone. Now, there are two ways you can actually create this channel. You either create your YouTube channel using either the YouTube app or you go through the browser. Whichever browser you want to use, fine, but I'll recommend you make use of Google Chrome because you need a Gmail account, a Google account to create this channel. Let's get started already.
So guys, what you have to do right now is once you get your phone, make sure that your mobile connection is on, your data is on and it's strong. Once you've confirmed this, you send into YouTube using the YouTube mobile app. Once you're signed in, you notice that you already sent me the email address you would want to use. But in a case where you notice that that is the wrong email address, you log out. And once you log out, you will see a pop-up page showing you to put in the email address and the password to the Google account you'd want to use in creating this channel. As for me, I'm already signed in, so it didn't show me anything like that. So once you're signed in, all you have to do right now is to click on the profile picture at the top right corner on your screen. So once you click on the profile picture, you're going to see something like this. You'll see your channel, turn incognito, add account, blah blah blah. Do not be deceived, it is not yet a channel. So all you have to do is to click on your channel. Once you click on your channel, you're going to see something like this. How you'll appear, picture, name, all of that. Right now, all you have to do is to click on create channel. Once you click on create channel, you're going to see a page like this. Your account has already been created automatically. Okay, this is the point where you customize your channel by clicking on this icon here that looks like a pen. Here you can include the name of your channel. You can decide to use the same name on your Google account, or you could decide to give your channel a different name. And you know, the good thing about this is that whatever name you give your channel does not in any way affect the name on your Google account. The name on your Google account remains the same, while the name on your YouTube account changes to whatever name you might want to use. So right now, all you have to do is to give your channel a unique name. That's if you want to change it. Right now I want to use something like Moments with Levy for this channel I'm creating right now. After that, you click on OK. Right now my channel name has changed to Moments with Levy. Now in the description, this is where you have to put in what your channel is all about, story of your life, blah blah blah. After you're done, you type OK. So the next thing you have to do now is to upload your profile picture, and to do that you have to tap on that camera icon and it will give you the option either to take a photo or to choose from your phone. So you choose from your phone, you scroll down to your gallery and choose the particular picture you would want to use. Right now I want to use this particular picture, so I have to position it well and click on save. After that, my profile picture is uploaded. So the next thing you'll have to do now is upload your YouTube banner. So this is the place you have to upload your banner from. You click on that camera icon at the top right. Right now you have to choose a very catchy banner because that is actually the first thing people even see once they come to your channel before they even think of any other thing. There are so many apps you can use in creating a YouTube banner, which I'll be teaching you in my next video. So after you've uploaded your YouTube banner, you click on OK. Now I'd want to choose one of the banners I used or I created sometime. I'm going to choose the banner, drag it to fit. After which I've dragged it to fit, I'll click on save. So after I click on save, my banner gets automatically uploaded. Our banner is here, guys. Our banner is here. Okay, right, so let me just put a little description. Hi there, this is Livy and you're welcome to my channel, blah 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 blah. After that, you click on okay. My description is also here. After that, you have to go back to your channel, to the home page, so you can see what your channel looks like. And guys, this is what our channel actually look like, with our profile picture and our YouTube banner. Once you click on this arrow icon, it will take you to the page where you see your description and even the link to your YouTube channel.
Right now, if you want to create your channel using Google Chrome or using a browser, this is what you actually have to do.
So right now when you're going through your browser, guys, like I said, I'll recommend you use Google Chrome because you actually need a Gmail account. If you're using an iPhone, Safari is okay, but it is best to use a Chrome. Now once you get to your browser, you type youtube.com. It will take you to a particular page where you have to put in the email address and the password to the Google account you want used in creating the channel. So once you're signed in, you have to click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. It takes you to a particular place where you see this. Once you see this page, you click on your channel. Once you come to your channel, you can see that it is somehow similar to the other one but still slightly different. So what you have to do is now click on create channel. Once you click on create channel, your channel has been created automatically and it is time to customize it by changing the name, the profile picture, the description, and setting up your YouTube banner. After that, your account has been set up and it is time to go in deeper into the proper customization of your YouTube channel. I'll show you how to do that in my next video. And always remember that whatever name or profile picture you decide to use on your YouTube account does not affect the one on your Google account.
It's not rocket science, it's actually that easy. Once your account is set up, the next thing you have to do is to customize how this channel is going to look. So when people come to your channel, they will have a clearer idea of what this channel of yours is actually about. In my next video, I will share with you how you can verify your YouTube channel so that you can get access to some YouTube features that will help you get monetized on YouTube, and also how you can create a thumbnail and a YouTube banner. Okay, so stay with me as I guide you on the step-by-step process on how you can get your account ready. We are gonna make this money together. And please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can always get notified whenever I make new videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.